Hello, hello. Today we're gonna eat at Tacos Don Cuco here in El Paso, Texas, and it's our first time. It's my mom, Mimi, and my sister Ale. And it's not the only location. They have multiple locations here in El Paso. Tacos Don Cuco. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Super clean too. Ready to eat some tacos? Okay, we ordered a lot of food and it came out to $50. Not bad. On the menu they sell tacos. Chilango tacos, I'm sorry. And then they also have specialty. They have pozole, quesadillas, burritos, menudos. And the restaurant looks very clean. They also have a salsa bar. Even Ali are heading to the salsa bar. Ali, which one's your favorite? They have guacamole, salsa roja, toreado chiles. Wow. And then Mimi, how you feel about your first time eating Tacos Don Cuco? Mimi's excited. And guys, actually the place looks very nice. Super clean. There's my mom sitting down chilling. And then Ali's getting a lot of salsas. Thank you, Mimi. Arigato. Mimi and Ale are getting the ensaladas and the salsas. And then I take them back to the table. That's my job. Right here, Mimi. Thank you, arigato. A little robot with our order. Just like Japan, Mimi.
Gracias por preferir Tacos Don Cuco.
Tripitas.
Barbacoa.
What about that, Mimi? Is that ours too?
Yes, that's my taco chilango.
Wow, taco chilango, Ale.
Thank you.
I got a torta, barbacoa torta. Mimi got tripitas, barbacoa, and then we didn't get my mom's order. Guys, we didn't get my mom's order.
Yeah, she's over there already.
Oh, she's already in the salsa bar. Okay, let's go. Vámonos. Here's my torta de barbacoa, and then I put pico de gallo, red onions. There's Ale Chilango's taco, and then my mom's eating tripitas.
Mira la tortilla como está. Tiene queso.
Wow, let me see, Ale. The tortilla has cheese. So we pay $50 for all these tacos and then the sodas, which is not bad. And then Mimi's in the salsa bar. Let's see what she has. A ver, Mimi. Wow, incredible. Arigato, Mimi, and provecho, enjoy. This place gets super busy. What's that thing? The thing that I like the most is the little robot. Ale, how's your taco?
Really good.
Delicious. Ama, ¿cómo están los tacos? ¿Bien?
Bien rico de tripitas.
My mom loves the tripita tacos.
How's it, Toño?
Delicious.
Provecho.
She's gonna need some help with her tacos, so I'm gonna help her. These are tripita tacos, and these are barbacoa. I finished my torta. And maybe do you need some help?
Yes, I ordered too much.
Thank you. She ordered too much, and I think she did it on purpose, so I can eat more. Okay, Mimi, let me help you out then. Let me get a tripita taco.
Yeah?
Ale says, Mimi knows me. She knows her husband. Ale, how's your taco?
Good. Gracias.
With the last barbacoa taco. Mira nomás. Ale, get close. Look at this taco. Mira.
Good.
Hey guys, we're done. How was it, Ale? Good? Maybe it was good. ¿Cómo está rico? ¿Sí le gustaba? My mom loved it too. Tacos Don Cuco. Maybe, how was it? Super good. Okay, we're leaving, guys. It was delicious. Really. And then El Paso, super cloudy. We've been getting a lot of rain. Oh, wow. Only service animals. At least say pet friendly, only service animals. Okay, well, thank you guys. Baby, adios. Thank you for watching the video.